Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm trading the gold. Guys, stay there and if you are new, please subscribe it. I'll show you a very simple trading strategy to make money with this broker. This is my live account. I also have a demo account and that's what I recommend to start with. So guys, I just made an entry to the upside for 1 minute expiration and the gold. So let's see if I have the opportunity to win this trade. But let me explain to you why I made this trade and I think it may go up. Even if I lose this trade, I think we have room for the price to go up. And yes, alright, I think we can still win another trade here. Let me check. Yes, we are very close to a support area. So let me see how this candlestick close to make another entry to the upside. Oh yeah, let me do it. Just 1 second left. So guys, as I was explaining to you, we have this market condition which is in. Let me open this tool, guys. We are in a support zone. So we have the price crossing the lower bollinger band. Also, we have the CCI making a pullback to enter to the normal zone. We have the CCI on the oversold zone. So we have an opportunity. I think we were oversold in this case. So that's why I believe the price may go up at least to the middle Bollinger Band. That's all I'm trading right now. So guys, as you can see, we are winning. We won this trade. All right. Let me check if we have any other opportunity in the same asset. We have 32 seconds left for this candlestick. Remember to enter this trade to 1 minute expiration at the end, at the very end of this candlestick. I mean, at the closing of the candlestick, you need to wait for the closing of the candlestick to make the entry. I think it's much better. All right, I'll make an entry, but it's a little bit risky to be honest with you. Why? Because we have this room for the price to go down, as you can see. Yeah, we could wait a little bit more to make the entry, but it's okay. If I lose this entry, I'll make another one to the upside because I think the price just is building up a normal structure to go up. So I'll wait. And something else I have to remind you, you need to be patient to take the best entries in this kind of business. And also you need to know, all right, let me do it right here. And I take a $15 one just to cover the first loss. Guys, I was telling you that you need to be patient and control your emotion. You need to know that there's always losing trade in this market. So the losing are normals. You need to be aware of that. Otherwise, you will be out of control. And one, control your emotions. Okay, I think we are winning these two trades. Okay, we won the first one, and also we won the second one. So, guys, that's it. Why? Because I have a conviction to the upside. Um, because there's a reason. Now I can see that the price is, is it's like breaking down. What's strange? If this candlestick close like this, I mean like a very bearish candlestick, we can even trade with this move. I mean to the downside. Okay, let me see till this level, which is a very good low, where this upward movement start from. Oh yeah, all right. I'll make this entry. I think the price it may go down a little bit more because of this candlestick. This candlestick broke this low that the price had done before. So I think it may go down a little bit more. Just let's wait. Guys, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you like this kind of content. And if you have any question in regard to this strategy, first I recommend you to see all all the videos that I have upload before, because I explain very much and very detailed this kind of strategy. I think is the most effective strategy in this broker. So please subscribe it and like this video. But if you have any question, any doubt, just leave them below in the comment section. Let me see if we can have another opportunity to the downside in this case, because as I told you, they broke down this level, which was a support level from here. Anyway, if I'm going to trade down, I need to take the best price. What is the best price for me in this case? Is if the market make a pullbacks to at least to the middle bollinger band. That's what I would like to see. Let me see if I can find out another opportunity on any other pair. All right. Wow, we had a great opportunity here. I think I'm a little bit late, but we had an opportunity very very good here. When this candlestick closed very far away from the Bollinger Band and also made this low, it was a great opportunity. Let's see if we win this one, but I think I'm late. Let me see if it moves a little bit. Oh yes, it's moving on my direction, so I think we can win. Just 4 seconds left. And yeah, guys, we won this trade too. I think It's wonderful. I mean, the way, obviously, the way we took this opportunity is a little bit risky, but we we had a great chance for the price to move to at least the middle Bollinger Bands. Guys, I think that if you apply this strategy, as I told you before, and I've been telling you in all my video, my previous video, this is the most effective strategy. As simple as you can see, is the most effective strategy that you can apply in the Olymp trade platform. So you can see that, for example, in the other broker like IQ option, I apply another strategy because it works better for me. But in this broker, I think the best one is this one, the CCI combined with the Bollinger Bands. But also, I recommend you to know something about the market phases, the trends, price action, and all of that. It will help you a lot. Guys, remember to join me on my Facebook group, which link is below this video. And also, don't forget to subscribe it, please. So I'll see you on the next video. I hope you like it.